first thing that high-performing teams need are trust-based relationships with each other. Why is trust so important in our professional relationships on a team? Well, if I trust you, I'm more likely to depend on you, which means I give you the space to do what you need to do. I stay out of your lane because I trust that you'll do the things you're expected to do so that I can focus on my work over here and you can trust that I'm going to get my stuff done. So we do less redundant work and we get in each other's way less often. Trust also enables me to make the healthiest assumptions about you, your choices, your behavior, your communication style. So when you fire off that email that I could read as terse and angry, or I could read it as clear because you're busy, I'm more likely to interpret it in that positive way, assume positive intent, because we have trust in our relationship. How do we do this? How do we build trust in professional relationships, or any relationships really? Well, there's a variety of ways, but one of the most important things we can do is create moments of shared and safe vulnerability. In other words, we create opportunities where I can take a small risk with you, put myself in a vulnerable position, but do that in an environment where it's safe and the outcome is positive. Every time that happens, my brain gets a new data point, and I can build a trend line over time that says, the last time I took a risk and shared maybe some direct feedback with my boss, they responded really positively, and that was a safe and productive experience for us. And then the next time I did it, again, it worked too. I've taken other risks with this person and it's always been safe. So there's a trend line in my mind. Taking this next risk with them is probably safe. The more we reduce the risk assessment by building that trend of dependability and safety, the more we feel a sense of trust with other people. This is where things like icebreakers and team builders can be really effective if done intentionally. It's not about randomly doing trust falls. It's about putting folks in a space where they can take small measured risks, where we are very actively creating a safe environment and creating that positive response to build a trend line over time and reinforce trust in our professional relationships.